Hi everyone! It's me again, Lizelle, and for today's basic cooking is gagawa tayo ng healthy breakfast that surely you will like it. Alright, so I'll show you guys how I did it in just few minutes. So we have here 4 pieces of sliced bread. Then we have here 2 pieces of eggs, so just mix it with some fresh milk in a bowl. Alright? Once done, then add a little bit of cinnamon powder to add more taste. Next is i-slice lang natin yung ating 2 pieces of bananas for the toppings. Once done is i-heat na natin yung ating pan and put a little bit of olive oil and a butter para i-fry na natin yung ating bread. Alright? Once nag-melt na yung butter, i-dip lang natin first ang bread sa ginawa nating egg and milk mixture and then put it in the pan. Okay? It will take just maximum of 1 minute each side to fry it and then just flip it. Alright? Once na-fry na lahat ng bread, let's cook now our banana honey toppings. Okay, so just put some butter. Honey syrup. And then 1 teaspoon of white or brown sugar. Lastly is ilalagay na natin yung ating hiniwa na saging. And by the way guys, just take a look with the description of this video. Andyan po lahat ng exact measurement ng ingredients for this recipe. Alright? And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so by just clicking the red button below. Thank you! That's it for today guys. So if you are interested to try this one too, please like this video or leave some comments below, or just leave some comments if you have some questions as well, and I'll be more than happy to give you some responses. Alright, so I hope you have a good day guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!